Hello, my beautiful students. Hope you are all doing well, having a great time, and staying safe. So, today we will try to talk about first aid. This is class 3 science lesson, and enjoy! The following tips can actually help you provide simple first aid to others and to yourself. But remember, always tell an adult about any injuries that occur. Remember, any kind of injuries happens to you or to anyone else, you will have to find an adult, your mom, your dad, your teacher if you were at school, and you will have to notify them, tell them what happened. The next few steps are very important for you to know in the case if someone was choking or you were choking on something. The first question is, how should I know if someone is choking? What the picture in front of you is actually the universal sign for choking. So recognize the universal choking sign, grasping the throat with both hands. This means a person is choking and needs help, just like the little boy in the picture. So if you saw someone doing that, it probably means that that person needs help and he's probably choking. Step 2, abdominal thrust. So, after you recognize that that person needs help and he's about to choke, what you're going to do is you will put your arm around his or her waist to make a fist and put it above the person's navel. Grab your fist with your other hand. So remember, just like in the picture in front of you, what you will do is first lean the person forward slightly and stand behind him or her. Then make a fist with one hand, as you can see in the picture in front of you. In step 3, you will do the following. You will put your hand toward yourself and give 5 quick, hard, upward thrusts on the choker's belly. Let me repeat this part. Put your hand toward yourself and give 5 quick, hard, upward thrusts on the choker's belly. So, as you can see in front of you, step 3 says you will put your arm around the person, grasp your fist with your other hand near the top of the stomach, just below the center of the rib cage. Then make a quick hard movement inward and upward. So this is how you can actually help a person when a person is about to choke. Let's repeat it one more time. So the first thing I do, I recognize the person that is actually choking by knowing the universal choking sign. What I'm gonna do is, using both hands, press your fist in the victim's stomach and deliver 5 quick inward and upward thrusts, as you can see in the picture in front of you. So don't forget, this could actually save a life of someone. And do you know what is more important? Is whenever something like this happens to you, you will have to remember not to panic and go ask help from someone. If you couldn't find anyone, then do it yourself. Okay, what should I do if I was choking and no one could actually help me because no one was there? So if you were choking when you are alone, make a fist, place the thumb below your rib cage and above your navel. Grasp your fist with your other hand, just like the other example. Then you will have to press on the area with the quick upward movement. Okay, so don't forget, whenever you are alone and you are about to choke and there is no one to help you, you will have to do the following. Make a fist, place it above your navel, grab your fist with your other hand, pull your hand up with a quick hard thrust. Or you can do the following. Bend over the chair, table, counter, or you can choose any other solid object. Drive your body against the solid object. This will greatly increase the force you can apply. So remember, keep your hand on your belly, lean your body over the back of a chair or over a counter and shove your fist in and up. So you can do the following whenever you are in a dangerous situation and about to choke and you were alone and you couldn't find anyone to help you. So you can do the following to save your life. So we reached the end of this lesson, and I hope you learned a lot from it. And not only this, you will have to try to learn a new thing every day and enjoy.